Hey, what's up, man? I'm going to sleep in about 2 more seconds, man. But before I go to sleep, I want y'all to hear what I'm saying, man. I am very, uh, very into the conversation every day. I wake up in the morning time, make sure I conversate, borrow a cigarette, and come home. You know what I'm saying? About 12 o'clock, I already got groceries. You know what I'm saying? I'm number one, fast, 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 easy. You know what I mean? Because watching people on TV, watching people in public, everybody doesn't know how to talk. And when I heard Jay-Z say some people going to drown in the city, it's obviously true, bro. Because when you are intellectual, everybody understands that you running the whole, you know what I'm saying, the whole school. You just popular, you know how to do. And eventually, if they put you in a school and give you some type of credit, you might just boom yourself to become president and talk like Barack Obama, because everybody wants to be Barack Obama. But there's certain people that don't understand that they're not conversing or they're not articulate enough to be able to carry a conversation and look like they know what to do automatically without even asking a question. And that's why I say some people drown themselves every single day and complain to themselves, and then come up to people like me and derogatory defame me and insist that I'm not the one on point by trying to take me, but it's not to be done. You know what I'm saying? It's rude, obnoxious, and deliberately stupid. So I would suggest that y'all understand that in postmodern times, they'll take somebody like that speaks to themselves and carries conversations the wrong way and annoys everybody, and they will actually put a stone on their feet and put them inside of a water all the way in the middle of the Atlantic Ocean and let them drown to the bottom of the ocean. And because you're drowning yourself in public, you drown yourself in there, and they feel like it's heaven in there. You know what I'm saying? And once they're dead, their souls literally float around, so they pop into a whale, and they'll float around. The whale will act like it doesn't talk to nobody, it eats little fishes to digest something. And that's weird, right? But I say, you know what I'm saying, they got hooked on phonics. And if y'all can't figure that out, man, there's nothing else to be done or to be said about that, bro. And when you hold down your job the wrong way, you will lose your job, you lose your family, you lose a lot of things in life. And that's something that you gotta understand and and grasp the actual reality that's happening. You feel me? So hey, man, some people gonna die, some people gonna live, but I know I'm straight. So love y'all, man. rapwings3000, dboyeffect, bluecup, man. That mixtape should be coming out soon. God willing, man. And this is just a free vlog. You know what I'm saying? Let y'all know that some people just not gonna survive, bro. All right, good night. I love y'all.